Alrighty. I don't know how long I'll be able to stream for, but I'm gonna stream nonetheless. Oh. I got to notify video uploads, paste, and then red circle live. Yeah. Hello, headset. Welcome. You're one of my, you're one of those people in my streams who usually shows up first. Does the link always stay the same? Live chat, pop-up chat. I wish this, the pop-out chat had, like, a different title or something, because, like, same problem in Brave, too, because if it had a different title, I could make, based on the title, I could add window rules. So, like, for example, if I hit my picture-in-picture, it pops up here as opposed to somewhere else random on the screen, because I set up a window rule to automatically place it there. So I wish I could just have the chat get automatically placed here. That comparison made absolutely no sense. Oh, hell nah. If I have to write a single line of JavaScript, I am most likely going to jump out a window. Actually, I just realized I could actually play the Linux kernel as music. I'll unpause that here in a second. Where is Linux? Is this it? Oh. Oh. What is this? Oh, wait. This is just like the standard library, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. Which Linux does that work? Nope. In Linux, where is the kernel executable code stored? ls boot vm linus. Okay. Yeah. So I guess I just choose any one of these. Okay. What about init ls boot init? No. Yeah, so it is that vm linus. Okay, so that means I can simply play the music by catting. Oh, shoot. Yeah, and then a play. That's enough of that, though. Okay, the stream hasn't died. That's good. Sometimes a play can fuck with my audio system. And then finally, some actual music. Is it loud enough? I'll turn it down. Speakers. Yeah, that seems good, right? I might play it later. I don't know. Also, complete side note, but I got addicted to licking 9-volt batteries. And honestly, I don't want to break the addiction because it feels weird and I love it. And it's also non-harmful. Okay, so I wanted to work on my TUI library, and I made this, just a side note, I made this interesting example for the pixel grid widget, which I did some updating to. And honestly, this is the best example I've made. So in this example, you can click on the pixel grid to draw pixels. Left-click top pixel, right-click bottom pixel, and this is because every pixel is actually smaller than a single character in the terminal. So a single character can store 2 pixels in this example. You can also change the size of pixels on the pixel grid itself, but not in this demo, because I didn't add a way to do that. Middle click erases the entire character worth of pixels. And then to quit, I hit Q, and I can also click with my mouse on this color selector. So let's say I want to draw me. Well, I can do that. And I'll just fill in. I actually really want to make a terminal-based photo editor. Ooh. Let's see. Right, it's more like down. That will do. And then I gotta do my legs. Right, yep. Yeah, because my legs are not, or actually they are filled in like that. And then I can give myself a white background. I'm getting so sidetracked right now, but it's honestly so much fun. What's good, Goldie? Do I know you on Discord? Because I don't recognize your YouTube name. There we go. It's written in Rust, but when I create my own programming language, I'll rewrite it in that. The code should not be hard to rewrite. It's actually a very simple library. It just works really well because the concept is simple. Ooh. There we go, it's me. Yay! And I can also see what I look like in other color schemes too. So that's Gruffbox. Ooh, I actually look really good. Solarized. That's pretty true to the original. Nord. I just hate the Nord scheme in general. Silk, which is actually a color scheme I created. AU. Rosepine. That just looks like shit. Cappuccine Frappe. I don't like cappuccine. City. Looks kind of nice. But yeah, so this is my example. It's a bit delayed. I'm not sure why on this desktop specifically, my TUI programs are delayed, but on my laptop they're not. I wonder if it's distro specific, because that'd be interesting. Yeah, that's the example. I commented on one of your videos. But damn, really cool project. Yeah, this project is a lot of fun to make. Yeah, oh. Yeah, I know who you are now. I know who you are. Yep. But yeah, so my TUI library also has time-based animation support, so you can also like plug a lerp function in for animations, like linear animations. I have this script where I can run all my examples. Here's the animation example. I need to rewrite the animation container to be more flexible. Here's a mouse example. This is also an example. This also, when I was writing this example, there's extreme screen tear, and someone in my Discord server named Mary actually helped me remove screen tear with some cool little ASCII, with some cool little ANSI escape code tricks. And then here's my color picker example. Here's a shader. Oh, TUI GUI also has like some basic compositing tricks. And then the Ukrainian flag, just because my mom is from Ukraine, so gotta have that in there. Yes, Hyperland, by the way. Yeah, I am... autism plus Rust equals insane projects. But yeah, so let me pull down git pull origin main tags. So yeah, git log. Yeah, I just improved a bunch of stuff really. Let me make sure my testing project works. Hello Inc, how you doing? Rust testing TUI GUI cargo run. Right, this is the pixel grid widget. Oh yeah, and I also have a real-time cursor in here. This delay is really weird though. I'm not sure what that's all about. Now, why is this? Pixel grid. What if I... Is this covering? Yeah, it's covering a ton of stuff. Oh yeah, so yeah, if I scroll my scroll wheel while hovering over this widget, its size changes. And if I click it, the color changes. This delay does not happen on my laptop, and I'm really confused. Another thing, I should probably make the cursor white just to make things easier to see. Cursor widget. Yeah, there we go. Now I can see the cursor better. Do you have a repo you can link for this? I want to check it out sometime. Yeah, you can, yeah, so if you just want to view it in its, like, it's on crates.io too. So if you search TUI GUI in crates.io, you can find it. And of course here, there's a link right here to the repository for the source code. Of course, there's the examples here. And the source code, some of it might be a mess, but I tried to keep it as clean as possible. Yeah, and then also down here, there's some examples, which are those examples I showed. So like here's the, can I just sign in without hassle? Verify I'm human. Yes, I can. Okay, good. So yeah, here's the code for that coloring example I showed. It's only 244 lines long, or actually technically 243, if not less if you take away the excessive empty lines. Okay, so what I gotta do with my TUI library is I got to improve the widgets. So mainly, there's a widget in my TUI library called the box container, and that has an issue where, let me just go back to that coloring example. Box container. I'm just gonna move some stuff around. So, like, I'll put this down here, the color picker. So, the problem is that pixel grid is that the box container doesn't scale things correctly when widgets underneath dynamically sized widgets request little space. They don't scale down. So I need to figure out a more advanced solution. Like, this still works. It still works. I can still use the example. It's just broken, kind of. Whereas now if I restore it, you see I strategically placed it above the dynamic widgets because I didn't want that issue to show itself. This delay though is really weird but also really amusing. Like I can ready, set, go. The one time it doesn't delay. So, come on. Delay for me. Yeah, there we go. I think it's clear I am still growing in maturity. But yeah, so that's what I gotta fix is the box widget. The box container widget. And the biggest problem is that I allow widgets to define recommended sizes. So a widget can say that it has to be a certain size, it can say what its minimum and maximum sizes are, etc. So I have to be able to handle that correctly. So what I'm thinking is, didn't I have a test for this already set up? Cargo run. Nope. Yeah, so my other test on my laptop, I had something up here that was just a box container widget with stuff in it. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to set up something like that. Or actually, I could literally just use the color picker example, since that's already set up for me, essentially. Yeah. So, also, TUI, CD TUI GUI. Yeah. So I'm gonna do that thing again where I swap things around to make it crap itself. Cargo run example pixel grid. Right. So now, sorry about that. It's humid here. Okay, so here's what we need to do. I don't know why YouTubers say we, but yeah. So the this is gonna bite me in the ass one day. I know it. I know this is totally gonna bite me in the ass one day. So okay, custom document. Okay, so I gotta, when I have my box container, what I'm doing currently is I am dividing it up evenly between all the widgets. So say I had 3 widgets, I'm dividing it into 3 equal parts, and then I'm creating these canvases, and then I'm correcting their size and pulling up all the other canvases. So say this widget is required to have this little spot. That means all these other widgets are pulled up with it. And that means eraser. Oh shit. Okay. That means these other widgets don't compensate correctly. So if I have my widgets, and my Band-Aid solution is to basically tell this bottom widget to take up the rest of the bottom space. And so what I gotta do is I gotta redesign this box container widget so it I'm still getting used to Krita. God damn it. Threshold. There we go. So, what I gotta do is redesign this so it essentially doesn't draw anything But it will do the same thing. It will divide everything up equally. And then it will correct all the sizes, but it will keep track of how much empty space there is. And it will also keep track of which widgets can still grow to fill up that empty space. And what it will do is it will essentially repeatedly allocate empty space to these widgets that can grow. And when none of the widgets are able to grow anymore, I'll basically force one of the widgets to take up the remainder space. So that's what I'm going to do. So first things first, upgrade version. So now, box container. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create some functions. Function retrieve, or function get single pose position I16, and this will take in position and the orientation, or I'll just call this Orion for short. Orientation. What I'm going to do is match Orion. And what do I do? If the orientation is horizontal, I need the columns. Orientation horizontal position dot call. Orientation vertical position dot row. That makes sense. And then I need a duplicate, but for size. And this will do U16. I have a towel under my wrist. I'm gonna... Okay, so... My setup is very janky here. Okay, so that means I'm going to use HJKL now. So position, this needs to be size, and this needs to be calls, this needs to be rows, this needs to be size, like that. Zali. Yeah, I just have towels as wrist support. Because I don't have a proper wrist rest. I don't know if I need a proper wrist rest, because you can't really wash a proper wrist rest, can you? So get single, get single. And then I need to, what I'm going to do is rewrite this. I guess I could have count in there. But now what I'm going to do is have let moot empty space u16 0. Or actually, I should have canvas dot transform dot size get single size. Oh, self dot orientation. Zali's blog says that books or towels are the best wrist rests. Ah, I see. Yeah, literally, honestly, they might have a point there. But literally the only reason I'm using towels is because t-shirts are lumpy and uneven, and I don't have a proper, like, actual wrist rest. Though what I do want to get for the memes is a wrist rest for my mouse, where it's an anime girl's boobs. I want to get something like that for the memes. Kind of like how I got programming socks for the memes. Even though I'm like one of the most straight people on this planet. And also a little more conservative too. So I'm the last person you would expect to have programming socks. Empty space. I got to... What do I gotta do? I gotta... for widget in self.widgets, I gotta do enumerate, something like this. Widget index. And what do I gotta do? I gotta... Femboys are Huh? Femboys being conservative? That feels wrong. Oh my god! You know what I just realized? There is a way easier solution to this that might actually be faster than my original implementation too, as a bonus. I'll literally just, I think all okay, empty space. All I need to do is say, let moot inner canvas.new child. Inner transform size equals widget info size info correct size. Though this might not work if the widget size just literally doesn't care. Yeah, I'm gonna do a pre-allocated approach. Where I'll have a default size. Let default size U16 will be no, it'll be a single. Okay, I'm back. I don't have a ton of time, but I don't recognize this song. Or I guess I do. I guess I just never heard the entire thing. Anyway, I gotta re-implement this. So I have a default size. And what I'm gonna do... Hello Theo, how's it going? I think what I gotta do, so first I gotta get the widget info. Widget.widget info. And then I'll add... Ah, nice. Yeah, there's very minimal changes. And as always, ask me for help if you have any questions about it. Widget index. I gotta have an array that letMoot scalables will be a vector of W. Or no, it will be a vector of U sizes. Yes, actually. My typing is not going to be all that good right now, but... because I just scootered and my hands were being vibrated from the road. So yeah, it's termy type. Is it a Rust program? Termy type. Oh, this is cool. Oh, wait. Is this person my Discord server? This rice looks familiar. Where have I seen this rice? let's see. It could be, what I'm thinking is that it's, are you has image. Oh my god, it's you. It's you. You made T-type. Reverse searching goes a long way. I'll check it out probably after stream because it looks like I have to compile it myself. Which, is it hard? I should really I need to termy type. I'm gonna add nope, that does not work. I have to do it like this. About preferences. Okay. About preferences. Frick. Right. It's gonna make me. Yeah. Okay. So search. Add. GitHub. So now I can just, like if I closed this, now I can go GitHub termy type. Yep, and it will search it, and there it is. Is it hard? What's the make file? Make build. Oh, it's not an extension. I'm using the Flort browser, and that's just the thing in it. It could be a Firefox extension that just comes with the browser by default, but I don't know. I mean, it's quite basic, but there's potential. Wait, is it clearing my output every time? Okay, now that's actually quite annoying. Also, your git status seems to be a bit fricked. God, what is this? Yeah, you're going to need to fix this. But so far, so cool. Nah, well. Now that might not be intentional. You seem to have build files in your Git stuff. Yeah, C++ is fun until it isn't. Oh, you know what I should do? I should have a method. Right, how can I do this? let move inner equals canvas new copy child. And then I gotta do inner.transform.size equals widget info.size info.correct size, and I gotta pass in inner.transform.size. And then after that, I got to do empty space saturating sub. I gotta do get single size inner.transform.size, and then self.orientation. And then after that, I got to do canvas vec.push inner and the corresponding widget index. Or actually, why am I doing that? As a side effect, it's just going to be the same index. I need to have a method that makes it easy to construct a 2D size from a 1D size in an orientation. I also need hello Uli, how's it going? What do I need to do here? Oh, you know what I can do? I can have this return single opposite. And same here too. Just make that a doc comment. There we go. No, I'll have a function that just returns. No, yeah, I'll have a function from single size. It will take the single, the opposite, and the orientation, and it will return a size. What I got to do is size, and I'll use the struct calls in generics. Oh, that just means the generic has to implement that trait. So that's why I'm able to call functions on that generic, for example, like widget info, is because it's guaranteed to have those functions because it implements that trait. So columns, I have caps lock on, that's why that's freaking out. Match orientation. So if I do get single on a horizontal, I get columns. So that means this can be single. So I get columns when I match on a horizontal. And otherwise I need the opposite. And then for rows, it's the other way around. So for rows, I need opposite, and I need single there. Yeah, I love Rust so much. And then I need the position equivalent. There we go. Right, so okay. You have to go to college? Alright, have fun. What's up? What's up, MAGA? How's it doing? How you doing? I'm programming and licking 9-volt batteries. So I'm doing pretty good. How about you? inner, right, and then saturating sub, get single size. Nine-volt batteries, licking 9-volt batteries. NixOS, it's fun, and then it's a pain in the ass. Looks like I don't need this widget index. Okay, so I have that. And then what I gotta do is what I gotta do is, oh yeah, I did see a heart. I thought I was seeing things for a second, but someone actually sent a heart in the chat thing. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Okay, so what I gotta do is have a loop, and I gotta do let moot prev empty. What I gotta do is prev empty, and I gotta do none. I gotta assign this to option. U16, yeah. And then I gotta do loop and at the end of the loop I gotta do prev empty equals sum empty space. What I gotta do is I gotta do first off, I need to build a vector of all the widgets that can actually be rescaled. Let moot can be rescaled, can be increased. And what I gotta do is say what I gotta do is say if widget info dot size info dot can increase size and I'll say let's see, I think I want to implement this function differently. Can change size to no, let's see, how do I want to do this? No, what I need to do is I know what I'm going to do. Transform size equals widget size info can change, can grow. Yeah. Now I gotta write this function. Widget, I believe it's in here, widget size info. Yeah. So here I'm gonna do debug, clone, copy, EQ, partial EQ, ORed, partial ORed hash. Okay. And I gotta do information on how a widget's size can be changed. Widget size info can change, can grow, can shrink, can grow and shrink. The widget size can be bigger. The widget size can be smaller. The widget size can be either bigger or smaller. Size assuming the passed in size is for something such as the canvas that the widget will be drawn to, this function will return information on how that size can be potentially changed while still being valid. The widget size cannot grow or shrink. It is rigid. The widget size cannot grow or shrink. Cannot any. I guess I could call this any. Can any. I've been tried out Helix, and I don't think I'm going back to NeoVim. The only downside is the lack of plugins. Yeah, Helix is so fucking good. I still use NeoVim for those rare use cases where I need a plugin or so, a plugin or two, but Helix is my go-to editor. It's so good. I've been using Cocoon for a while, and it's been great, but 2025 is the year of Emacs for me. I tried Emacs. It sucks. I just can't get behind Emacs. Also, the fact that it's a GUI application that tries to pretend it's a terminal application, it just makes me sick. Yeah, well, Uli, if you want something fun, do Helix. Helix is really good. I'm thinking of making my own text editor. I know you can use Emacs without a GUI. Everyone says that, and then I question them whether it's good or not, and they're like, well, it's not supposed to be used like that. And then I'm like, aha. Aha. So yeah, I was thinking of making a text editor called OM, which would stand for Oglo's Mighty Editor. And it would have like plugin support and stuff. Why would you want multiple font sizes? I don't understand. That sounds like a really pointless feature. That actually sounds more of like an annoyance. I mean, if you need Emacs for something very specific, I guess knock yourself out. Go ahead. But if you're using Emacs just because it's another editor, I don't know. It doesn't make sense. Also, is Emacs Pinky worth it? If that's really an issue anymore. Match self dot match self. Self fixed. Match fixed size true. Widget size info cannot any. Oh, you know what I should have? I need must variants. The widget size is invalid to begin with. W name. Yes, I know. Oglo's mighty editor. Because I do a lot of presentations with math stuff in it, and having it build into my editor is great, so I can switch from a presentation to a REPL to anything else. That makes sense, yeah. There are a lot of different Emacs binding schemes people have made over the years, so you don't necessarily, yeah, I know, like there's evil mode and stuff. Emacs binds are fine, they just suck, because Helix has the best key bindings. Like, there's HJKL, of course, but then like GH, beginning of line, GL, end of the line, etc. And also, Helix has an actually functional multi-cursor mode, unlike NeoVim. No, Cocoon sucks. I tried Cocoon, and it's utter garbage. That's the truth, though. I do not like Cocoon whatsoever. Helix is like Cocoon, though minus the plugin support, but Cocoon doesn't have good plugin support either. It has like some sort of shit. Like, I haven't messed with Cocoon plugins, but from what I hear, in order to do an if statement and like however you do Cocoon plugins, you have to literally do a bash if statement. Like, what? Why? If you like Cocoon, that's fine. I couldn't care less. Just use whatever works. Yeah. Let's see. I need to match min max. Just to be consistent. Okay, so in this match statement, I gotta do. I'll do sum. I need a none, or actually I'll do a sum none, and then a none sum, and a none. Yeah, so TUI GUI allows for fixed sizes. It allows for dynamic sizes, which you can choose whether or not to specify mins and maxes. Yeah, TUI GUI already has support for that. Obviously, it's if you're implementing a container widget, you're going to have to handle that yourself, because there's no way to feasibly do that automatically. But yeah, see, so in the dynamic you can have a min and a max, and this correct size function will take all that into account and correct any sizes passed into it to be valid. Min size, max size, min size, max size. So now I gotta do calculations. So I gotta say if size dot Oh, you know what I should have? I should have an area function. I should also have, oh, you know what I need? I need a can grow on calls bool on rows bool can shrink can Annie. Yeah, I mean, I could do a closure. It's not elegant, though. At least to my standards. Oh, you know what I need to do? I need to have if self.correct size is not equal to size. This means the size is invalid. Then return widget info can change invalid. That way I can remove this check. There's a lot of code nesting, my eyes, it's too much. Yeah, admittedly there is a little bit more code nesting than what I'm comfortable with, but honestly it's not that bad, so I'm fine with it. I'm not a war criminal when it comes to code nesting, but I'm not stingy about it either. Like here, I do some code nesting here too. Honestly, it's fine as long as it can fit on your screen and it's not overly obnoxious. Like, you still need to know what is going on. As long as you know what's going on, I think it doesn't matter how much nesting there is. Okay, so if min size.calls. Oh, you know what I can do which would honestly be more robust? I can get rid of this can any. That's honestly a better name for it. What I can do is surround this in a vec, so there can be multiple. And then what I can do is if I can do if min size dot area is less than, so yeah, if min size.area is less than size.area, and I'll add this area function. So lib struct size. Pub function area. Use actually this should be U32. Because what is U16 max? And what is U32 max divided by U16 max as U32? It's U16 max. So that's why this has to be U32. Self. And I gotta do mirror welcome. I'll send the welcome message. Yeah, I'll send it right now. Welcome. TUI GUI window manager. Holy shit, dude, you gotta do that. Oh, why is this open? Anyway, I gotta do return self calls as U32 times self rows as U32. So if the area is less, do Kendrick dropped an album and it's fire. I don't know who Kendrick is, but I'll look here. Send me the link in Discord so I can check it out later. MAGA. If let moot calls bool false, let moot rows bool false. Or actually I can just do let calls bool equal min size dot calls is less than size dot calls. Let rows bool min size dot rows is less than size dot rows, and then potentials vec widget size info can change vec new, and I gotta do if potentials is empty, potentials dot push widget size cannot change. Potentials. And what I gotta do is what? Oh. Oh, right, and this can be removed. And replaced with an underscore. And let's see. Columns, yep. Potentials dot push widget size info can shrink. On calls. I'm gonna rename. Select on. Like that. And then, so if minimum area, yeah, so the size can shrink if the minimum size is less than the actual size. If max size area is more than size.area, then I pretty much want to do the same thing but the other way. I just realized I could maybe make this a lot better. Yeah, what I can do instead is to move this out of an arm, put it here, and then put it... Shoot, no. Yeah. And then I'll do multiple cursors and just do that. And then instead of this match arm, I'll do I guess I could just do let min size equal min.unwrap or size new same u16 max. or min size 0. And then max size will be max. Yeah. Needs to be max. INAX. Like that. Just like that. I think that's the entire function done. I'm gonna move my mic over a little bit so I can still see the chat. I gotta do if contains no. Okay, this is gonna be a bit weird. Yeah, Rust can be kind of an odd language sometimes, but I really love it. Also, this is some confusing code, too. Huh. That's strange. Oh. Right. Use after free, essentially. Or use after move. Yeah, I can see how that would throw someone off. I love Rust. Can change. Or I should call this change potential. If I should say match change potential. If let widget size info can, I should edit the preludes. Okay, that seems to be it. If let widget size info can change, can grow from change potential, then I need to do some initial verification. My code is Yeah, my code, I agree. This code is a bit confusing. Even I'm a bit confused, just because but I think it's necessary, to be honest, because this is kind of a confusing task that I've been given. So, yeah, I'm trying my best, but yeah. No, it isn't. Oh, wait. Oh, no, it looks fine to me. Let's see if I go into, like, compat files, for example. It's slow as frick, as always, but... let's see. If I go into scripts... compat swap. Yeah, I started trying to move some of my repos to Codeberg because GitLab actually blocks certain countries, and that really irks me. Ultimately, someday I'm just going to start my own Git instance for the public too, and it won't block anything. It won't have any censoring, nothing. So yeah, Codeberg seems to be up. Codeberg status. Huh. Bitbucket. Gogs. Fort. Bitbucket. Bitbucket. What if I just moved to Bitbucket? Though Bitbucket looks worse than GitLab, to be honest. Worse than GitLab. Right. What I need to do is I need to say... Oh, MAGA, another reason my code might be breaking your head a little bit is because, on top of that, well, my code is also, compensating for horizontal and vertical layouts. I'm trying to do it in a generic way, so bugs are not specific to one or the other. I need a function that says, I think that's all I need to do, right? Yeah, because if the orientation is horizontal, it returns columns. Is call. So, yeah. Let check match is call self orientation. Is single call. true calls, false rows. There we go. Codeberg is dying. Yeah. I'm worried about the future of source hosting. I'm worried about the internet. We are so reliant on the internet, and it is bothering me. That is one of the reasons why I'm creating my own programming languages, because the official Rust implementation, as soon as you lose an internet connection, bye. That's pretty much, yeah. So yeah, it bothers me. Check columns, if check, I want to do can be increased dot push. Now I need the widget index. Enumerate. That's exactly what I was going to do. If you are statically linking to libraries, you're not going to be downloading them from the internet when you compile a project. They are going to be in the project. Sure, storage sizes might be kind of massive, but which would you rather have? Massive storage sizes or a project that literally just cannot compile? So, yeah. And I'll probably add some kind of compression, obviously, but yeah. Alright, I'll give it... I'm just worried about the music triggering YouTube. Like, for example, I actually have a Russian hard bass song stuck in my head, and the lyrics are not good. Though it is in Russian, so I don't know if that will trigger YouTube. For those of you who might recognize some of the lyrics, really the only lyrics I can say from the song are "Я тебя не знал," and then that's it. "Я тебя не знал." I didn't know you. Я тебя не знал. Yeah, this is... I cannot listen to this kind of music. Like... I just... my brain... Like, I listen to the Red Army Choir. This is an... I don't know why this artist is in here. My mom listens to them, though they are pretty good. I listen to Igor Stravinsky, Ethereal and E, Danny Cud, and anyone in here. These people make good music, though. I'll play some of it. It's not great for programming, too, but it's good stuff. It's not great for programming a lot of the times because they also sing, so... Yeah, if I get copyright claimed for a live stream, that's honestly not so bad. Oh, I guess, I don't need this variable. Break so this code isn't super slow, potentially. Which, obviously, it won't be, even if there is no break, because the vector returned by this function is, at maximum, going to be only, like, 2 items long. So now what I'm going to do is priv empty. I'm going to do if empty space is more than 0, what I'm going to do is for I in can be increased iter. Recursion in Rust doesn't suck. I don't know why people say that, to be honest, but no, I don't really. I do not like functional approaches over looping. If I write something recursive, it's most likely a recursive descent parser. Okay, that's enough of that, right? Back to music that doesn't make it hard. Such as Igor Stravinsky. If self.widgets just realized I could do something different. But no, it might actually be slower. Let to be removed. Vec usize. Vec new. Empty space divided by can be increased dot length. Also, something I might need to do is add a check, because division with integers is not always perfect. So, also I just realized that I'm probably the only one who can actually focus with this. ISO Discord now supports screen sharing for Wayland. By the way, you have the download. Oh yeah, I just use Vencord because its screen sharing is really good. I should totally do more C programming now that I need to learn more about libnotify for something I'm doing in Prolog. Why not just use C++? It's C with benefits and more safety. Can be increased dot length increase. What I need to do is something like let's see, what checks do I need to do? Actually, I should pull up iRust. So let's say there can be 5 widgets that are increased and the empty space. Oh, but I see a flaw in this. Or wait, hold on. Empty space is empty spaces 25 spaces, for example, and there's 5 widgets. 5. Now, what if there's 4? Well, then you kind of gotta shit. So, what I gotta do I mean, I guess that's a reason to use C, but, I mean, Beethoven? Yeah, that's pretty good. I'll probably listen to some Beethoven later. Though I love handpan music, so I'm just gonna keep the handpan music. I can be increased iter. I have, I mean, maybe some of them, but I actually beg to differ. I have an HP Stream 11 laptop that I sometimes use. It's running Gen 2. It was $200. It has an Intel Celeron in it, and it works great. It's honestly one of the best purchases I've ever made. An HP Stream 11. Frick. I know there's one other YouTuber and friend, Whale Tech. They have an HP Stream 11 too. Honestly, I wonder how the hell they get all these laptops, because they're younger than me. And yet, like, somehow they're getting all these freaking laptops, and now I'm jealous. Popular. I should probably not open my email on stream. That would probably be fine. I just don't want to accidentally give away personal details, because I'm doing my driver's permit stuff now, and I don't want to like accidentally expose my zip code or something. Can be increased. I should call this widget index. And I should say, canvas I should say let inner equals canvas vec. I need a mutable reference to widget index. Can I actually just dereference here? No, I cannot. widget index equals widget index. We call these people high chives in Nigeria. Oh, like people who just keep getting stuff. High chiefs? That's interesting. Knowing people from all around the world is very fun, because you get to learn all this stuff. Oh, shit. Inner.transform.size. What will I use the TUI library for? I want to build my own text editor, but I also want to do some other things, like build an IRC client. I want to build some terminal-based games. Like, for example... oh, and by the way, Filthy Pit Dog, you're new. Hello. Haven't seen you before. But yeah, like, for example, I built 2048 using TUI GUI. It's actually using an older version of TUI GUI as well. Oh, and I actually have on my channel, I have an old video where I did Bad Apple in the terminal. I should pause the music for this. Termova play-i. Videos Bad Apple MP4. Get ready. Oh yeah. In the process of making my own Wayland composer, like Hyperland, fun but stressful. Oh, stressful. Right. STRESSFUL. Right. Yeah. I was a bit thrown off by that. Yeah, that does sound quite fun, but yes, definitely stressful. And yeah, this is running in the terminal. Yeah, have fun with that. Yeah, I've seen some pretty cool Wayland compositors. Like I keep seeing 3D ones. Like there was one from 12 years ago, where it was like with portals and stuff. And then there was one called like Hack Matrix or something, which I think is Wayland based. I'm just gonna let this play through to the end. It's also fast too, because it's only refreshing parts of the terminal that change. Filthy Pit Dog. What's up? Hey Maga, just chilling, how are you? Watching whatever the fuck is on my screen. Awesome, love it. It's over. Oh, and by the way, this does support color. So, like, briefly, I'll play one of the other videos I have in my videos folder. It's probably going to be a meme. Because I have a ton of just random... Like, what's this? Oh, this is a tiny bit slow. And it's stretched too, because... There we go. I definitely got this from the meme section of my Discord server. Yeah. Okay. Back to this. I need to do... What do I need to do? I need to do what I gotta do. I gotta do what I gotta do. I got to let single equal. I gotta do single opposite. I gotta do get single size. I gotta do inner dot transform dot size. And then I gotta do self orientation. Good distractions. Yeah, actually the reason I like streaming is because this is when I can actually get programming stuff done. When I'm not streaming, I'm distracted by literally everything, but streaming helps me nudge myself back to the task at hand. I wonder if I have ADHD. I have autism, and I know that ADHD and autism often come bundled together. But yeah. Moot single plus equals increase. Oh, you know, this might actually not be an issue because I'll be checking the prev empty. Yeah, that's fine. And then single plus equals increase, and I gotta do self. I gotta do inner dot transform dot size equals from single size single opposite self orientation. Yeah. Well, yeah, because people my age are often distracted with either childhood or other things. I wouldn't say I have a traditional childhood. Like, for example, I'm probably going to be in college in the next 2 months or so. So I'll be 16. Which apparently is kind of young for being in college. But I really want to be in college because I want to do electrical engineering. Inner.transform.size equals self.widgets widget index widget size widget info size info correct size inner.transform.size. Playing with sticks and stones. When did when did Nigeria get a lot of these first world luxuries? Because I know, like, for example, my mom grew up in Ukraine, which is a third world country, and Nigeria is also considered a third world country, right? So oftentimes third world countries will get stuff after first world countries. So, like, for example, the Soviet Union only started giving out toilet paper 100 years after it was invented, which is crazy to think about. Then again, toilet paper is also kind of a useless invention at the end of the day. Like, you can just use leaves or a cloth. Often in the Soviet Union, they would use newspaper and cloth and wool and corn cobs. Like, my mom has tons of stories of just, because they used newspaper, their butts would be stained black from all the ink, which is kind of funny to think about. Actually, I'm kind of curious now. Also, what the heck is a second world country? This is old. This is definitely from the 90s or something. Yeah. Though the Soviet Union was abolished in 1991, wasn't it? This doesn't really tell me anything, does it? Okay, so I can tell that blue is first world, but then is yellow or red second world or third world? Okay, where's Ukraine? Oh, India's right there. India's a third world country, so red is third world, I believe. Oh yeah, and Russia would be second world. Yeah, that makes sense. 'Cause they got all the stuff, like hackers and whatnot. Mexico is second world, that makes sense. The Middle America is a third world, that makes sense. Yeah, most of Africa is third world. Computers in the 80s, I mean, that's not bad. That's not bad. That's like when the first personal computers started coming out. So, that's pretty good. It's quite shocking to think about how little people nowadays know about computers. I know, right? It's scary. Yeah, yellow is second world. Yep. Map created by Reddit user Yuppie Fuckstick. Thank you, Yuppie Fuckstick. r/map porn. r/map porn by Yuppie Fuckstick. Thank you, Yuppie Fuckstick. That's such a great Reddit name. Yeah, you're right. You're right. This isn't TUI. Thank you for the reminder. Yes, Yuppie Fuckstick is clearly a professional. They clearly know what they're doing. Clearly. Okay, so what I gotta do... Ow. Ow. Fuck. Oh, I can make my life a lot easier here. I can just do single original single plus equals increase, and then I just gotta do let single opposite equal get single size inner.transform.size self orientation. Who knew making a simple box container would be so hard? And this is why based Linux users don't use GUI wait, no. This is why I want to come up with something witty. It's like, this is why everyone hates GUI development or something. Because even though this is in the terminal, that's essentially what I'm doing, is I'm creating a GUI library. It just runs in the terminal by default. Which, yes, by default. For example, I'm actually working on a Raylib backend for TUI GUI. Why? I don't know. But is it possible? Yes, it is. In fact, there's a person in my Discord server, Theo Paris, who's in the chat earlier, and he is making a TUI GUI X implementation from Theo. TUI GUI X. I want to find the oldest. Frick, get out. Old. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's so cool. But yeah, I was helping him too with it. So this is the animation example in the X backend. Yeah, that's what I wanted to do, was to make a text editor. Yes, I am on Gentoo. Oh, by the way, Gentoo. Bitch. TTY color tool set hyperland rice generated TTY color tool get. Boom. Now if I go to a TTY, like Control Alt F3, it will have the Everforced color scheme. Theo, I have no idea how the hell you're going to do that, but go ahead. That sounds insanely cool, and I want to see it. Then again, isn't an X11 window manager literally just an X window? And yeah, because TUI GUI can render to anything generic as long as that thing that it renders to can actually interpret its signals. Yeah, you have to implement the backend trait. I gotta do what I gotta do what I gotta do. I got to do what I got to do. Let's see. Increase. I gotta do, what do I gotta do? Oh, right. Increased by is equal to single saturating. Actually, no, it should be fine. Single original single. Empty space saturating sub increased by. And actually, I kind of want to see brick. Want to see if empty space dot overflowing sub. Actually, I can solve this simply by no, I'll do it right here because then I can do it better. Yeah. So if empty space dot overflowing sub dot 1 increased by, meaning it underflows. I got, or is that a separate function? I don't know what I was thinking. Of course it's not a separate function. That'd be really weird if it was. I gotta do let increased by original, or actually yeah, increased by original increased by, and then increased by equal empty space. And then I gotta do let diff equal increased because yeah and then I gotta do let single SO get single size inner transform size self orientation, and then this needs to be mutable. s diff so self orientation, and then I got to do inner.transform.size equals corrected size. And now I gotta do if empty space is equal to 0, then break. Yeah, so that, and if if let sum prev empty if empty space equals prev empty, then break, because that means we're done there. And loop if empty space is more than 0. One last little thing, and that is just to allocate the bottom to the last widget, pretty much. Self.widgets. So I gotta get the single. So let single opposite moot. Yeah. Single opposite self widgets self widget or no inner. Let inner equal moot canvas vec length -1. Inner dot get single size. Inner dot transform dot size self orientation. Right. Just a Rust work, it's fine. There we go. Let single single plus equals empty space. And then inner dot transform dot size equals single equals from single size. and single, opposite, and self orientation. So there we go, that's that. And also we need to then calculate all the positions of the canvases too. So after that, then I gotta do for inner in canvas vec iter moot. I gotta do let's see, I gotta do that single equal get single size, yeah. Single size, inner transform size, self orientation. And then I gotta do offset, single size as I16. Oh wait, yeah, you do want that. Okay. And then right, yeah. Okay, so then I want to do let single position opposite position to equal get single position. I knew this function would come in handy. Inner.transform.position self orientation. You did, that's good. I'm glad you helped your mom. Well, right now, I'm nearing the end. Now I'm just positioning all the canvases. I think I've got the code that I need for, actually sizing all the canvases correctly, but now I'm actually positioning them correctly. Single position equals offset. Or actually, I can just do that. .1. And then I gotta do inner transform dot position from single position. I'm gonna do offset, opposite, and self orientation. There we go. That should be all the code to position everything. And now, for the moment of truth, to render everything. For I in self.widgets.length, I want to do canvas vec I dot draw. Or shoot, right. I need to do self dot widgets I dot draw. Event state, or state frame. Yep. The state frame is how widgets get things like mouse positions and stuff, and mouse button clicks. So now, all this code right, I also need to implement that too. CBI. CBI, if self.widgets widget index Did I do this already? No. Okay. Size info dot dot can change size. For size, for change potential in yeah, actually I can just pretty much copy and paste. It's not a ton of code either, so it's fine to copy and paste, I think. I think it'd be more complicated to set up a macro or something. Yeah. Let opposite, and I think maybe this is useless. Oh, wait. No, I messed something up here. I'm not sure what, though. I'll finish this, though. Empty space, overflowing sub. Right, so I'm getting the size. I'm correcting the size. I'm getting the size again. Yep. Okay, I guess I don't need this. Okay, let's see. And then I gotta do to be removed. Yeah. For to be removed in to be removed can be increased dot remove tbr. Okay, this should be everything. Okay, compiles, that's good. There's a problem, isn't there? Oh wait, I'm not using. Right, I need to. Yeah. Version. Path. Crates TUI GUI. Now try. Hey, oh wait, holy shit, did I just do it first try? Holy shit, oh my god. I think I just did. Oh god, I think I think I just first tried this. Holy shit. Functional programming object. I prefer object-oriented programming, 100%. Functional programming is a pain in the ass. I'm so happy that this works now. And now if I quit and restore the example, pixel grid box container, and I'm just gonna move that to be there again. So now git status, yeah. Now if I run the example again, holy shit, it works. Wait, just to verify. That's a problem. Yeah, because if I git restore, oh, actually, it's just like that. Interesting. Okay. Cargo.toml. Version. Path. Holy shit. I think I did it. Wait, just to verify though. Examples, pixel grid, box container, want to do that again, but also like really fudge with this. Oh my god, it works. I think it actually is working. I don't like functional. I love my loops. Now, if you're asking whether or not I prefer composition or inheritance, I prefer composition. So that would probably be a better question, is whether or not I prefer composition or inheritance. There, now I can have both mouse buttons down. And then just one, and then the other one. I can switch the color so I can actually see what I'm doing-ish. There we go. Beautiful. It's spaghetti. Okay, and also just to verify, what if I add many of these? Oh, what if I change the layout to the orientation to horizontal? This works, okay. I can draw normally. Good. First rule of programming, if it works, make sure it's saved via Git, and then touch it. Oh. I'll clean it up later. 1 second, let me draw this penis. Oh, fun fact, there's a ton of overlap between Russian and English. Like, for example, in Russian, the word penis is penis. Which is pretty cool, to be honest. Now to clean it up, my masterpiece. And let's clean it up a little more. Let's put, oh no, wrong pixel. And also wrong color. Nope, I did it again. I want that, yep. And that's gotta be pink. Okay, I won't spend too much on that, but now I gotta color this part with the brighter color. A it's the happy penis. I'm gonna take a picture of this. The happy penis. Yes. Dude, I need to make a drawing program that runs in the terminal. That'd be so much fun. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, okay, bye, Mr. Penis. Let's watch this slowly erase. Okay. It's erasing. I know. Goodbye. Well, that's why I took a screenshot. I'm gonna save it. Save image as.
What are you doing?
Finishing up.
It's 11. You're supposed to be off at 9.
I know. Oh, I was just reminded that I need to start finishing up, but I can spend some time. So, rip happy penis 2024. Yes. Rip happy penis. I mean, he would have died anyways because I would have had to quit. I would have had to quit the demo. But yeah, I think I wonder what the performance difference is like. I'm gonna test that too. Pixel grid, box contain. Oh, I also need to test the integrity of this, like whether or not it breaks easily. That's problematic. Ooh, looks like I have some oversights. Fill area. Remember, kids, if you're making Rust crates, this is one of the most important things to do. And it looks like I can't do it on the dynamic. Widgets. Widget pointer. Okay, that's annoying. Well, it has clone. Why is it complaining then? That's weird. That's weird. Widget pointer. Oh, you know what it is? My custom widgets for this demo. There we go. So let's see. Okay, that works. That works. The spacing looks good. Yeah, I think everything's good. Okay. Awesome. I'm gonna git restore. Git status. TUI do. Better box container. I should also check the performance too. Examples, pixel grid. Let me see. So if I function main, draw summary, I'll have a vector of things to print after the drawing. Oh, hello, Lalo. How's it going? Yeah, that's what I'm about to see, is whether or not it's too slow. What are the fields on here again? Oh, if let sum draw summary. Draw summary. Right, yeah. Because frames can also be skipped. Well, yeah, that's what I'm trying to make TUI GUI really fast, even if some of the widgets are a little slow. Here, Lalo, if you want to try and make something with TUI GUI, here you go. It has some optimizations, like, for example, damage only refreshing. And it's only getting faster and faster. I'm probably going to add some more optimizations before 1.0. Yep, that's the correct field. Okay, as sex F64. Then when I clean up, I want to for log msg in logs. I want to do print ln log msg. Hello headset. I know you're in the. I know you're here at the beginning of the stream. Good to see you again, though. Okay, so it looks like frames are not taking too long to draw. That's good. So yeah, like 0.007-ish. That's what I'm going to say, 0.007. And then now if I do the new version, path creates TUI GUI. And obviously I want to bump this version. Now if I run this, yeah, it's around the same, maybe a little slower, but it's fine, because it's better. Oh, nice, e-biking. That sounds fun. TUI GUI should also work on Windows. It uses the default backend is cross-term. That's what's included with it by default. Oh God. Yeah, I remember when I was still using Python and I was not great at programming, I made a quote end quote operating system in Python. It was basically just a shell, but it is actually kind of an impressive first project. It had temporary log messages. It had command parsing. It wasn't good command parsing. It's just like parsing at splits, like at space characters, but toggling whether or not to split at space characters if there are quotation marks. But it was I wish I still had it, and I wish I had it in a Git repo. But if you want to see my first ever Rust project, that would be Codberg org oglo 12 coin flipper. (2022). A PyQt browser? That sounds fun, but yeah, anything in Python ends up being a mess. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and say that I just improved the box, the box container. TUI do. Another thing I want to do is rewrite TUI do, because as of right now the application is a little shit. Like, the application will literally crash if you try and deal with Unicode characters that are not ASCII. Git status, git diff. Just want to make sure. Yeah, 23 inline get area. Always check your git diffs. Alright, looks good. Git commit, finally, good box container widget. Git log, git tag, create version, yes. Git log, git push git push, git push dash dash tags. Git push dash dash tags. Good. And then cargo publish. And then I'm gonna pin Mr. Penis in a little bit. And then I need to cargo.toml. Yep, works the same. And I'm actually going to move the explanation text to the bottom now that I can. Box container. Explanation text. There we go. And that means I don't need the padding. Margin container. This thing. Yeah. Yeah, and I can just do that and picks, where's the explanation label? Yeah, I can just do final. There we go. The new and improved. I'll also add for fun a keyboard thing. I also want to minimize how much space I'm taking. While still looking good. I've been using C for a while. Never really pushed anything to Git repos. Just kind of experimented for a year. Classic. I'm gonna try the rest of it though. Can your C do that? Boom. Can your C do that? I can't. I'm sorry. Suzing, I love you, but I just can't. Still learning Git. Git's really fun. I can't tell if you're asking me or asking Headset or saying you're learning Git. I am personally still... I'm not a Git pro, but I know enough Git to be dangerous. Oh. Yeah, I mean, Git's not hard. I might put just like a 10-minute Git tutorial on my YouTube channel, Git for impatient people or something like that. Cross-term pull events. Key modifiers, none. Key code, char, L. And I don't like Git front ends because Git CLI works just fine, and knowing Git CLI is ultimately what you want. Because things like LazyGit are not going to be installed or even available by default. and just get CLI is so much faster. Assuming you know how to type, of course. Oh, hey, Spectrum, how's it going? Welcome to the stream, which is almost over, but I'd love it if you stayed. Because still juicy, of course. Match. I'm good. Just licking 9-volt batteries and programming. Or wait, no, I gotta do layout. Layout, PTR, lock, unwrap. I gotta do let moot. I lost No Nut November to a wet dream, and then I kind of just got so frustrated I finished it off. So I lost already. Big fan of ceramic. Yes, I love ceramic dishes too. They're so cool looking. I know you meant ceramic. Yeah, I mean ceramic's just a fun little program I wrote, and I use it every single time I open a terminal. So yeah, I'm glad you enjoy it. Oh yeah. No, I'm not fully switching to Codeberg because both GitLab and Codeberg kind of suck. But I switched my Hyperland Rice to Codeberg just because someone in my Discord server who's from Cuba, GitLab blocks a lot of countries for some odd reason. So, yeah. Oh my god, I tried Golang and I hate it. The simplicity gets on my nerves. I know simplicity is not a bad thing, but Go is too simple. I could do mirrors, but honestly, when I tried to do mirrors in the past, it goes to shit. So I just, I don't bother. Layout. Also, to implement answer your question, Spectrum, I'm just modifying my demonstration for Pixel Grid widget a little bit before I push the updates, because I fixed the box container widget in my TUI library. So now if I hit, yeah, it changes the layout. Let's go. So to avenge. Oh, I should do the improvements that I did last time to make it so I can draw with both mouse buttons. If state frame dot mouse buttons dot middle equals event mouse button frame down equals false. Not equals down, because it could be up, could be down, could be pressed, or could be released. Then I want to move all this. Else erase and I want to remove that. There we go. What's Volter? Yeah, I want to host my own Git instance too. I've got a Raspberry Pi, so I could totally do it. Else statements? How do you host Ugla? How do you... Oh, my site. I host my site. Oh wait, it's not gonna be linked here. It's I host it using GitHub Pages, and then the source code is here on GitLab. By the way, how does my site look? I like it. What about you guys? Oh, I even overwrote the selection theme. And also this background image is a mask too, so it follows the color scheme used. I made it in Inkscape, so it's a vector graphics too. Awesome. I'm glad everybody likes it. Yeah, there's one person in my Discord server who hates it, but I think they don't understand the fact that I was trying to go for an older look, because they said I should make it look like modern design when I'm actually trying to reject modern design. I think I love this like gradient backdrop look that a lot of older sites have. No, it's like that Anakin guy. This guy. I'm not really sure. But yeah, I think he just didn't understand the fact that I was going for an older look. Oh. That's cool. It works. Yeah, he's a Quequin. He's just a doomer. I mean, he's fine, but I can't take him seriously a lot of the time because he just says doom stuff. Or, like, gives me music suggestions for music that I personally don't like. But, you know, he's not hurting anybody, so it's fine. Okay, so now... Yay, I can draw and I can erase stuff. Let's go. I'm not sure why this machine specifically has lag. Another thing I should do, as you notice, I just drew on the canvas even though I wasn't hovering it. I should actually make sure that I am able to draw on the canvas. Yeah, his music suggestions are just not my taste. Like, I listen to Igor Stravinsky, I listen to Beethoven sometimes, Maga. And there's some other various artists. Like, for example, there was a song by Jeremy Blake I like, but his music is a little hit or miss. I should do pixel grid mouse handler. If the canvas I should do if canvas.transform.contains point mouse local position. Yeah, Conker's Bad Fur Day has a banger soundtrack. It's also a really good game. Like, if you have an N64 emulator or a real N64 with the cartridge, I recommend playing it. It's a lot of fun. Okay, so now I'm gonna... Uh-oh. Oh, you know what it is? Right, I need to actually do the global position with this because the transform is not local. I need to do state frame dot mouse dot position. There, now I can draw. So I'm gonna do red border all the way around. Red border all the way around. Oh, wait. How do you get your tray to show on Waybar? It doesn't work for me. Oh, strange. What distribution are you running? Because on Gen 2 there was a little bit of time before... So I did a system update today and that fixed it. But prior to that, yeah, I had an issue where my Waybar system tray wasn't working properly. Yeah, update your system and it should work. There we go. TUI GUI version 0.23.0. Cat cargo.toml. Git push. Yep. So now TUI GUI and the examples are up to date. Also, the music was paused this entire time. Headset. Add this to your make.conf. Emerge default ops. -- auto and mask -- auto and mask right. Basically what this means is, and then also after you add this, you want to create a file in you want to create /etc portage package accept keywords zzz auto and mask _ auto and mask. Create this file, and then after that, whenever you try installing a package and it fails due to unmasking, just run sudo dispatch -conf. Make sure it's going to zzz and hit U. Yeah, so that should fix it. That should automate it quite a bit. And I have this all automated via Rebos too, if you want to look at my Rebos configuration. Rebos gen current build. I also disabled my sudo timeout because it gets annoying. And this is a personal machine, so I don't see what's wrong with it. Make a bash script? Oh, okay. Yeah, well, when you add that, then you only have to unmask once during a system update, and then it should just work. Speaking of which, are there any updates? Oh wait, I already did an update today. Nah, it's fine. Yeah, I use Rebos whenever I have to repeat something across many machines. Or many installations. Basically, if I want something to be persistent across my Linux experience. I'm also wanting to merge all my Rebos configurations into one single configuration that's distro agnostic as well. So then I don't have to, for example, duplicate my flat packs. Because I have a separate configuration for EndeavourOS and a separate configuration for Gen 2. Yeah, if you don't have a use for Rebos, that's fine too. Rebos is only meant for like if you find use in Nix, you'll probably find use in Rebos. Well, yeah, even if you have one Linux computer though, don't you want the changes you make on one installation to sync to any future installations? Like, if you install, for example, Xonotic via Flatpak, I would think you would want that Flatpak to persist across any future reinstallations as well. There we go. Oh, I should also run sudo emerge cav. Entry points. So, looks good. Okay. Unmerging. Damn. Run it again just to make sure nothing's left behind. Good. Horndis, Android USB tethering driver for Mac OS X. Oh, I use USB tethering sometimes. Does it really not work with Mac OS? That's weird. Mac OS is weird. Brick Mac OS. Should I change the theme of my website? The stream is definitely coming to an end here momentarily because now I'm kind of just going on tangents. Oh, I need to pull down changes. Right, let's see what my website looks like during this iteration. What? Oh, right, I see. PWD. P Diddy. Oh, right, because I'm running this inside of a Flatpak container. It's being sandboxed because of Flatpak. Okay, yeah, so this is where my website was left off. Now let me change the color scheme to Grovebox so it looks consistent. Oh yeah, even like my build script changed too. Grovebox dark. Hey, look at that. Awesome. I also have one of my personal favorites that so one that works really well with this site is Solarized. Like, this looks really good. I love this. Let me just make sure. Yep, back to make clean. Cat make file. Yep. Ain't no party like a diddy party. You're right. You should make a color scheme switcher for your website. I would, but I probably won't. And the reason why is because I want my site to be JavaScript blocker friendly. And actually, I think it's pretty cool to have a website without JavaScript. Like, fuck your JavaScript. Anyway, this stream's pretty much over. There's nothing more of substance that I can do in this current topic. So, I'll see you all next time. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream, and I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye. Oh, also join my Discord server. The link is on my website. Then again, you're all from there, so yeah. Bye-bye. Peace. I'll see you later, filthy pit dog. Alright, 3, 2